Hi, my name is Theresa Miller and I'm a Principal Technologist with the Technology Advocacy Group at Cohesity. Today we're going to talk about backing up OneDrive in Office 365. So let's dive in. First, I want to talk a little bit about OneDrive retention and why you might care about having a solution such as Cohesity to back up that data. So, OneDrive's native options. Let's talk about the retention piece. You have the ability to do version control on your files and keep as many versions as makes sense for your enterprise. Additionally, you can recover folders and sites, and those will go into your recycle bin. The recycle bin will keep that data available for about 93 days. And then over and above that, you have the option to call Microsoft Support. For about 14 days beyond that 93-day period, there is the opportunity to still have support recover those files. Now that overall sounds like a very robust offering. Let's talk about how Cohesity can help over and above those native options. So with Cohesity, our retention capabilities actually will go as long as you set. So whatever you like and whatever you need, there's not that cap. There's not a limitation at all. We also have the ability to leverage our index for your OneDrive data as well as our Google-like search. We will deduplicate and compress that data, and we can even go as far as placing some legal hold options on your files if you choose. It's totally up to you as the customer. The other thing I want to call out from the retention perspective that's really important is if that file is completely gone, if you're beyond all of those native OneDrive options that we discussed, you have the ability to still recover that data. And again, we will do files, folders, and sites as well as far back as you need. So as you can see, we have Office 365 with OneDrive. The options that you have would be you could back that up to your on-prem Cohesity if you like, or you can back that up to a cloud-based Cohesity out in Azure. Over and above that, we can even do long-term retention with your data on blob storage if needed. So by leveraging Cohesity for backing up your OneDrive data, you now have better control over the recovery of your data. Keep in mind, your data is your data and is not up to the cloud provider to keep that for you long term, despite some of the options that they give you. Make sure that you can recover it to the degree that you need to for long-term success.